Good morning, students. In this video, we will discuss about coordinate geometry. This is the very new topic of class 9th. Today, we will deal this. Okay. So, what is coordinate geometry? About this, you people have already learned something in your previous class. In this class, in class 9th or in this video, we will deal in detail of it. Okay. So, first of all, what is coordinate geometry? Why do we need it? Coordinate geometry is a branch of mathematics which deals that to find a position in a plane, to find a position of an object in a plane. What is plane then? The plane can be this board, the plane can be your floor, the plane can be your table, the plane can be your bed, the plane can be a door. So these kinds of plane we can find a position of an object with the help of this coordinate geometry. Dear students, you people have already learned to locate a point on a number line. In fact, a real number line, isn't it? And you can also say about the position, find the position of a point which is on the number line. But there can be so many other situations in which to find the position or to describe the position of an object in a plane, it requires little more datas to have that. Okay, so in this topic we will deal with that. Okay, suppose there is a plane. This board is also a plane, but let me draw a very small plane for you. This is a square board, a rectangular board or something like that. Okay, there is a cup is placed on this plane or a table. The cup is placed on this table. Okay, so how to find the position of this cup on the table? Okay, suppose this breadth is something 10 meter, 10 centimeter. For an example, I am taking this length, let us take 20 centimeter. Okay, so this will also be 10 and this will also be 20. So how to find the position? We'll start giving the length from the longer edge and giving the length from the shorter edge. Okay, like that we will draw the perpendicular line from this point to the longer edge and from this point to the shorter edge. Okay, so here to here this is of 20. So this will also have the value, some value will be equal to this value. Okay, suppose this is a 50. This is 15 centimeter. And if it is coming, let us suppose that if it is coming just mid of it. So total is 10. So this length will be equal to this length. So this is 5 centimeter. So now this point we can say that this point or this cup is placed on a table 5 centimeter away from the longer edge and 5 centimeter away from the longer edge and 15 centimeter away from the shorter edge. Okay, so like this we can find, if we take any, suppose streets are there, so many parallel streets are there, and other examples in that, how to find the position of a lamp, of a street lamp there. Okay, so for that we need this coordinate geometry. Okay, for more examples is given in your exercise 3.1. Let us discuss that. Exercise 3.1, the example just what we have discussed is similar. The first question says, I am reading it for you. How will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? To another person, like you are standing little far from the table and you need to find the position of a lamp which is kept on the table, study table of your study table. Suppose that this is your study table These are the foots of study table. This will come inside. So let us not draw that. This is a simple table. This is the table lamp. This is the table lamp. So how to find the distance of, how to find the position of this table lamp with the reference of this table, study table. This is study table. And suppose the person is standing anywhere, so it needs to find the table, or the person is standing here or the person is standing here. It depends on that where it is standing, what will be the value, what will be the position of this table lamp on the table. Okay, so as I have discussed that example, suppose any length of the table is anything, the breadth of the table is anything. Okay, we will simply start drawing perpendicular to both the edges. Suppose this is from this edge it is far 20 centimeter far, and from this edge it is 15 centimeter far. Okay, if it is so, we will give the name, the position, the value of this position of table lamp on the table can be 20-15 or 15-20. Why I am writing this 20-15 and 15-20? Okay, this we will discuss in our next video, which will deal the another exercise 3.2. Thank you.